Hey guys, Matt here with Greensward today. Another way to keep it green, we're going to talk about irrigation. Get a lot of questions, especially in the springtime and the summertime, talking about water, how much should I water, when. Our rule of thumb in general is 3 times a week, anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes per zone. So a zone is typically a single valve, which there's a couple valves in here, and off of that valve, there's typically 3 to 4 irrigation heads. So on each zone, we're talking about 10 to 15 minutes as a starting point. From there, if you have some areas that are wet, dial it back to 5 or 10 minutes. If you have some areas that are drier, up that to maybe 15, 20, 25 minutes. Each of these areas is going to be a little bit different microcosm that you're going to have to monitor to be able to make sure it has the right amount or too much water. Just remember too, springtime, low humidity, fall, low humidity, so you may need to water a little bit more. In the summertime, a lot of high humidity, so you don't have to water as much. Typical homeowners are like, man, it's going to be 95 today, I need to water twice as much. Well, that may not be the way to go. The ground is like a battery. If you fill it up, then it's fully charged. And if we fill it up too much, the plants need as much oxygen as they do water. So if you're filling up that battery and there's no airspace in there for the plant to breathe, it's just like you and I drowning. So again, monitor your irrigation system 10 to 15 minutes per zone. See how that does, monitor as needed. But again, spring and fall, low humidity. Summer, high humidity, so you probably don't need to water as much. Got to keep track of it, just another way to keep it green.